Today is March 19th. It's a very special day for me and Kirsten. 17 years ago, we decided to get married. And it's been one heck of an adventure, and I loved every single minute of it. So today we're going to go and enjoy our anniversary Alaskan style.
We're having a typical Alaskan anniversary this year. So we got snow machines, we're gonna ride into North Pole, Alaska, we're gonna grab a bite to eat and just enjoy the day together. Says no skateboards, bicycle riding, or roller skating. Doesn't say anything about snow machines.
Nope, not at all.
So this is one of our favorite places to go to here in North Pole. This snicker crepe, they looks amazing with whipping cream, chocolate drizzling. Which one did you get?
The cheesecake or strawberries.
Because they have pretty much every crepe you can imagine up there, from savory stuff to sweet. Looking good.
And it's March 19th on anniversary, and yet we still are receiving a lot of snow. But it's Alaska, that's why we love it.
As you can see, weather changed a little bit. That can happen here in Alaska. So we're in the middle of this snowstorm. It's just coming down. Look at those big flakes that are just coming out.
Pretty awesome for an anniversary.
It
I must
is.
say.
Other people complain about this weather. We love it. Look at the sign in the background. You can see how windy it is right here. So, almost there. We're pushing through. We got this. Check out how big those snowflakes are. They're just coming down. It's amazing. They are huge. Normally we have breakup around this time.
Nope.
Not today.
One more snowstorm.
Yeah. Hey, we're not complaining. Just look at this. That is nuts, John. That's absolutely nuts.
This is awesome though.
Let me just tell you a little story. When we went to Denmark to get married, we stayed in this really beautiful log cabin. And the night before we got married, John was hoping for a snow wedding. He always wanted to get married in the snow. And guess what? That night, throughout the night, it started to snow. We had such a bad blizzard that we didn't even know if we would make the wedding or not. 17 years later.
Covered in snow.
Yes, it's all your fault, John.
It's after 10:30 tonight. I'm snow machining from home, all the way North Pole to a friend's house and back. And so it's been a great fun day. Got caught in a blizzard. So just another great day in Alaska.
So 17 years of marriage was a really good day. We're hoping for God's blessing for many, many, many more years to come in this marriage. And yeah, we just close out this vlog and we're counting it all joy.